Now I want to talk about comparison operation. In lots of places in programming, you will you should able to compare two things together. For example, you should compare two number to a string if they are equal or no. We have some comparison operation that in this section I will talk about. Let's start and define two variables. One of them is a and another one is b. Both of them is equal 10. I want to see if they are equal to each other or no. So answer of this question will be yes or no. So the output of something that we want to use should be true or false. They are equal, so it will return true. They are not equal, they will return it will return false. Okay, so let's go and see how we can compare these two variables. We can write a equal b. With this operation, two equal without any spaces, we will compare the value that we have here. With one equal, we will assign some value to some variable. But for compare some two variables, we should use two equal. If I save this, as you can see, and run that, it will return true. And let me change, for example, the b variable. As the output, you can see the false. So with two equal, we will compare if two variable is equal to each other or no. It's not just for the string. We can use that also for it's not just for integer. We can use also for strings or anything else. As you can see, it will return true. H and H are equal. H space with H are not equal. Okay. So another operation that we have is to remove one of these equals and put exclamation mark here. What does it mean? It will ask, is A not equal to B? The previous one is something like this. Is B equal to B? And this one, it will say, is A not equal to B? It's not equal. Okay? And the output of this, 10 and 10, let me print something else here. 10 and 10 are equal. So line 5 should be returned true and line 4 should be returned false. As you can see here, we have false and true. If I change, for example, this to 11, you can see line 4 should be returned true and line 5 should be returned false. Exactly. Why? Because 10 and 11 is not equal to each other. Line 4 asking, are A and B not equal to each other? Yes, they are not equal. Line 5 asking, are A and B equal to each other? No, they are not equal to each other because one of them is 10 and another one is 11. So we have some other operations. For example, greater than. Print. I want to say, is A greater than B? Or another one. Print. Is A less than B? We have two operations here. Greater than, less than. A is 10 and B is 11. So B is greater than A. So line 7 should return false because A not greater than B. A is less than. And line 8 should be returned true. Let me clean up here. And as you can see here, yes, it will return false and true. What will happen if both of them is 10? the both situation and both operation will return false, because 10 is not more than or less than 10. They are equal. So we have some other operations like this: print a greater than or equal b, or print a less than or equal b. We added some equal to right side of these greater and less than here. So what will happen? Both of these condition will return true. Why? Because as you can see here, because a is 10 and b is also 10 and they are equal to each other. In this condition we are checking if a greater or equal to b. In this we are checking if a is less than or equal to b. So if I change this to, for example, 12, what will happen? Which of them is true, which of them is false? Or maybe both of them is true, both of them are true and both of them are false. What do you think? Let's run the application. The first one is false. Why? Because a is 10 and b is 12. So a is not greater than or equal to b. So it should return false. A is 10 and b is 12. A is less than b. So a is less or equal to b will be true. Is it clear? So let's go to other operation that we have. Let's assume that we have a equal to 10 and we have another variable equal to 12. We have some AND operation. What is that? Let me print something for you here. A equal to b, print a equal to c, and let me run it. What will be the output? One of them is true and one of them is false. A equal to b is true and a equal to c is false. Let's have another print here. Print a equal to b, something that I have, and it's a keyword, and a equal to c. So what do you think? What is our output here? Let me run it. It will return false. Why? Because when we are writing AND operation here, both sides of AND should be true. After that, it will return true. If one side is false, the output will be false. So let's assume that we have this here. First one is true and second one is true. First one is true and second one is false. First one is false and second one is true, and I mean the condition that we have inside of the AND operation, and false and false. In which cases we have true and in which cases we have false? What do you think as an output of AND operation? As I said, in AND operation we just have true as an output in one situation, and that situation is to both of the side should be true. So in this situation we will get true, in other situation we will get false as an output. So if I put c also as 10, and I change the value of c to 10, and all the variables that I have are equal to each other right now. As you can see, a equal to b is true, a equal to c is true. So both sides of AND is true. So our output will be true. We have also another thing here, another operation, and the name of that operation is OR. So let me change back this to 12, copy and paste it here, and instead of AND, I will write OR here. What will be the output? Let me run. The first condition that we have is true. The second one is false. So the AND will return false for this situation because one of them is true and one of them is true and one of them is false. Okay, but the OR operation will return true here. Why? Because in OR, just one side of the OR can be true, and after that the output will be true. So let me write something like this for OR operation. If both sides of the OR is true, let me change them also. If both sides of the OR is true, so output will be true. If one side of that is true, so output again will be true. Again, we have one side true, output will be true. Just we have one situation that outside of the B will be false. And that situation is when both sides and both conditions are false, as you can see here. So for example, if I make both of these conditions false and make 11 here as A, you can see all of them are false. This line false, 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 and also here we have two false here, and it will return false for us. This AND and OR operation are very, 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 very useful, and you will use them a lot in the future. So just please try to play with them and make some example for yourself for all these situations. Then you will understand them better. Okay, so let's go to our last operation that we have, and I want to talk about that in this section. That's the NOT operation. What does it mean? It means if the output of something should be true, I will put not before that, so it make it false. What am I mean? We have A equal to 10, B equal to 10, and C equal to 12. Let's have these two again here. And let's run the application. Right now, it will return A equal to B as a true and A equal to C as a false. Okay, if I put not here, N-O-T, it's a keyword. Before the operation, checking the operation, I will put not. So the output of line 32 also will be false. This not keyword will tell us to make everything vice versa. It means if you have true, you should put it as false, and your output will be false. And if you have false, your output will be true. For example, here I have this condition, and the output of this will be false. But if I put not before that, the output of that will be true. As you can see here, I put not before the operation. So I talked about lots of operation here. The most important things that we had in this section was OR and operation. Just please make sure you understand them and play with them, and as I said, define some example for yourself to understand these two operations as well as all of them.